Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto, flourless, salted caramel brownie bites. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need a half a cup, that's 1 stick of butter, and you want that unsalted, and it does not have to be at room temperature because we're going to melt that. 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of some kind of sugar-free chocolate chips. Since this recipe is for the salted caramel, I have the Lily salted caramel. A half a cup of confectioner sugar substitute. I'm using monk fruit. 3 eggs and a fourth a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Okay, let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350, and you want to get out a mini muffin tin. If yours is not the silicone, you need to spray it with cooking spray. Add your 1 cup of chocolate chips and your 1 stick of butter to a microwavable safe bowl, and we're just going to heat that in 60-second increments until it's nice and smooth. Remove your bowl from the microwave and just stir it until all your butter is incorporated and all of the chocolate chips are melted. Then we're going to add our cocoa powder and our powdered sugar to this and just stir it to combine. That looks great, so now go ahead and mix in the 3 eggs. After your eggs are incorporated, you should have a nice thick batter. So we're just going to put this into our prepared muffin tin, and you should be able to get 24 of those, and then stick a couple more chocolate chips in each one. My brownie bites are ready to go into the oven for 12 to 14 minutes. You can see I just pressed about 4 chocolate chips right on top there. Oh, these already smell so good. My brownie bites just came out of the oven. Oh my goodness, they smell so good. We are going to let them cool, and then I'm going to have a taste. My brownie bites are all cooled off, so I just removed them and put them in a container that I can seal. They are a little delicate, so you do need to be careful of that. I might have maybe cooked mine a couple minutes longer, but they are so delicious. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.